Alright, what's up guys? We're at U-Haul. Jack's girlfriend over there is driving that U-Haul truck. Total babe. We're picking up a trailer so we can get Jack's 240.
Yeah.
He's pretty stoked, as you can tell.
Yeah.
But he's really stoked about his girlfriend over there, so. Total babe. She's gonna hook us up with the trailer and Jack's gonna hook her up, so.
So stupid.
I know. So yeah. Alright, so some time has passed obviously, and we got the trailer, and this is Jack's new 240. He's pretty pumped, look at him. He's stoked, you can see the excitement on his face, but it's pretty rough, but it's a project car.
Here, we'll show you. Alright, so here's some things that kind of makes it worth it. 5 lugs done already. It's got a
Perfect
J30 LSD rear end that's been welded. It's got some Teen Super Drift coils on it. And the money right here, it's already 5.0 swapped with a T5.
Look at that. Beautiful.
So I mean, it's like, it's got a lot of potential. It looks bad, but it's got potential, so.
It has a lot of potential. And Jack's already came up with a name for it. You wanna tell him what the name is?
It's the T-Rex.
Yeah.
Because the paint's all screwed up and it looks like dinosaur skin.
Yeah, it's the dinosaur.
So it's the T-Rex.
It's sick though.
It runs. It kind of drives. It
drives.
Clutch right now, so but
yeah.
It runs.
So
it has no map on it right now, so I'm not gonna start it. But
we're gonna unload this sucker.
Future videos.
Yeah, future videos. So now we both have 240s. Woo!
Righteous.
You hear that echo? Alright, we got this sucker off the trailer. This is Jack's first time sitting in it. And check out the interior. Pretty cool, you know. Still got stock seats. No carpet, no headline. Oh, there's still a headliner. It's got a sunroof. There's a bunch of pig nose bumpers back there. Is that the clutch?
Yeah. No weird spot.
Dude, that is right next to the brake.
I know, it's weird.
It's gonna be tight. But yeah, this thing is sick. And it came with extra parts. It came with an extra hatch, which Jack is gonna sell me. Very kind of him. All those extra coilovers. That thing feels good. I'm sure once you get it all fixed, it'll be fine though. Yeah, you can check out this sick exhaust. It's literally hanging on the ground. But yeah, there it is. Rubber chuckers. Right, Jack? You gonna be a rubber chucker? That's so cool. Alright, 1 second. Alright, Jack's about to start this beast up. It's gonna idle really high. It's either gonna idle really high or it's gonna die. Or we're about to find out. Alright, 1 second. Let me get my phone out. Alright. What the heck?
What?
It's already on Snapchat? Alright, you ready? Okay, tell me right before you go.
I'm going.
That thing sounds so good. Dang. Yeah, once you get the mass airflow on 0, it's gonna be golden. But, I mean, at least you can start to show people. Just idle side. Sick. That's Jack's new 240. Think he's stuck?
That was sick!
Does it rip? Does it rip? I wouldn't mind seeing a Bernie. No. I didn't know you were doing that.
They're not.
Start her up, dude. No, I wanted to see another Bernie. Dude, that was so good. It sounded amazing. Look at the freaking marks you left on your... Look at the marks you left on your driveway.
Yeah, it's like... Yeah.
Oh, come on.
I'll do one more.
Look, you burned some rub. All right. It is recording. You got it?
Where's the battery?
Oh yeah, it's probably not. It probably came loose actually. Okay, try it. Dude, that was so sick. This thing rips. It sounds amazing.
I don't want to idle it. I don't want to rev it too high so it's so cold.
Yeah.
I'm going like 2,000.
Dude, you left some marks.
Man, look at that exhaust.
I know. We gotta fix that. We gotta fix that like ASAP. All right, I'm just gonna start pushing. Oh, that's all I got. This thing does not like to roll. All right, is that good?
Yeah.
Are you gonna start it again, or?
Yeah, I'm just gonna go back.
These tires are so bald. Oh my god. Your dad's gonna be pissed.
What?
So your dad's gonna be pissed.
What?
Sig left marks from here all the way out and back in.
I'll get over it.
Oh my god, this thing is so sick.